เราเกิดอยู่เมืองไมโครเวฟเนี่ยเราไม่ได้เกิดอยู่เมืองลาวเรามาเกิดอยู่เมืองไมโครเวฟแล้วมันก็มันต่างกันนะ
Chemical break is not ready. It's ready.
Now I
Just
know.
soak it over. 30. Usually new rice from like 30 minutes hot water. Some people they don't even soak it. They no, that takes a lot of time because no, when you cook it, you just have to like bring it out, rinse it, bring it out so it's not too gluey.
Yeah.
But I don't do that. I just soak it. Soak with hot water 30 minutes.
So I like that tip about the, it has that little grainy feel.
It's ready. You soak it. You want to know. Oh, let's say you soak it for 15 minutes. You want to know like if you're ready to. And then you just like how I rinse it out. Rinse it.
And then so technically, you don't have to ever wash the plastic, right? Because I wash with soap and water and then it starts to mold and I throw it away.
Oh, you wash it, but let it like don't put it away. Let it dry.
So when you wash with soap, you just wash it with water.
Regular.
It's regular.
Yeah. Some people they don't. If you don't wash it after you flip the rice,
Yeah.
then you're gonna have a lot of dry rice like that.
Yeah. The dry rice is okay.
It's okay,
Yeah.
but
It's like pasta.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
okay. It's like that.
Yeah. It's fine. Yeah. Because I've never seen that. That's like I didn't cook it. I was like,
You probably didn't wash it. You probably didn't soak it before you teach how I do it.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to flip.
Okay.
I'll show you how to flip the rice.
I'll flip it. So how long do you need to?
Let's see. I'll show you.
So right now.
I'll show you when it's flipped.
9, 10 right
It'll be like kind of like the rice kind of like clear a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so right now we're actually at a Lao American household.
Is it Airbnb?
Airbnb homestay Lao American style.
Typical
And so
style.
we in the morning
This is not your typical Lao.
it's like in Laos usually kampiat set, which is like it's like a kampiat set. It's like a Japanese udon, right? But then it's actually Lao style. So this is like this is all homemade noodles. And I'll bring the tray over. I'll let you guys see. See, it's all handmade. You see the noodles? So it's handmade noodles, right? So it's like I believe they use this like rice powder, things like that, and then you just take it. See, look how nice it is. Yep. And then and of course it's all about the broth and everything too. And so that's pretty much Lao morning breakfast, and then or you can eat another one that's that Joy she's making. We're in Joy's kitchen right now. We're in Joy's kitchen, and see that?
Joy only feed her husband.
She feeds her husband in the morning. It's like a mochi. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like it's creamy, it's glutinous, and it has like a little bit of
สมองมันคืออะไรสมองเฮ็ดเรียกครับเว้ยแบบนั้น
yeah versus like
ไอ้คนเฮ็ดเรียกเลยนะ
you know, like for example, like Japanese udon, it's like I feel like it's more solid, you know. But then the Lao, do you see that how it's like chewy and gooey? It's like a gummy one.
Baby, give my tray back.
Yeah.
Stop using my tray for it.
And so this is just to where it looks like. But then there's other stuff that you can put it. I can put it here.
Give my food back, girl.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, go ahead. Go make it look nice, and then I'm gonna show them again.
This is for eating, not for show.
Yeah, it's for eating. And then now there's another breakfast thing that Lao folks like to make is it's called khao tea.
Lao pancake.
It's like a Lao like a hash brown, but with rice, like mochi. How can I say that? It's like a hash brown made with rice, sticky rice.
You know why you can't explain it, baby?
Because
Yeah, woman for that.
yes, because I'm a fake.
Lao for Lao, South percent.
Yeah, I'm a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of country, a little bit of
already
Was it
done.
done?
I got one chicken
So you see,
left.
look, go show how his is spicy. Like, look how you did his.
Yeah.
So it looks like this originally, and then now it becomes like that.
So
originally it looks like this
They make it spicy to burn the butt.
Burn the butt.
ที่น้ำมันขุ่นเลยเพราะว่าเห็นแต่เมื่อวานในน้ำมันขุ่นนะมันได้กันขุ่นแล้วก็กินแล้วนี่
ให้ผมเด็ดมันก็แซ่บ
คนล้าวปลอมเลยนะล้าวลงโคกเลยนี่
โดนลาวเลยพวก
ผมเป็นโจรนี่ล้าวลงโคก
เอาลงผม
นี่คนล้าวมันเคยเก็บพักมันผิวขาวสิ
หอยแครง original farmer จะจะว่าได้
คน
มาหมดทำไมตะกี้
สมัยตะกี้ฟาร์มโนฟาร์มเลยใส่หมวกใส่เสื้อใส่อย่างออกไปด้วยคือไปแบบไปสโนว์บอร์ดิ้งเลยเดี๋ยวมันไปเก็บผัก
สัญญาหายกับแบบไผ่
แต่ยังพูดว่าคอยเมื่อกี้คอยเห็นชวนเทปตาที่คอยนั่นก็นิ่จ้ะ
จับ
That's what I think
You did yours?
Yeah.
just put this table
You're gonna make cookie.
I love it how tea. Oh, they're not eating
that's good
เอาพี่ใส่ปลาแดง
โอ้
that. That's the real stuff. It was all made today, yesterday. And then with the same oil she made it to make with chicken feet. That's why I had like chicken feet had a little garlicky taste. It smelled good.
thank you
Yes. Very spicy.
จะให้เดี๋ยวมาถึงเลยประเภทนี้
เครื่องบวกเป็นไม่แต่ละกัน
No, no, oh no. Don't listen to him.
ข้างมัน
Yeah.
อ๋อนั่น
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Oh, hell.
I got mad at him when you go eat it. Put on like pepper, like the way
แล้วเป็นเสื้อเอา
it's pretty much.
Fried chili.
อะไรลักกี้
You can I can fry it with the garlic. It's good. You can fry it with the garlic. That's good. So you're one small bowl. With
No,
your-
no.
You want more soup?
See? And then the sticky rice is still going.
Yeah. Don't listen to him.
Yeah.
You always think, okay.
I like this
Yeah. Yeah. So we're at Joy's kitchen right now.
Choice Kitchen
Joy's kitchen.
Joy's Kitchen
Look at that. Let's see that.
โอ้หนูเนาะ
It's good, huh? And then we have the traditional
yeah it's good
sticky rice basket.
it's called what
We use that and then we give it to the chickens to eat. The leftover stuff. Yeah. Chickens.
I love this island very convenient
It is. It's like it acts as a serving, a preparing table thing, eat, whatnot, It has like but the only thing is that we don't have space. That's it.
How many bedrooms like this? Loda.
Oh, Lodi, it's actually a little small.
trailer home.
There's a trailer. Yeah, so that's just it's just there. Just to,
it's a simple trailer home
yeah, it's like 2 bedroom bathroom.
You know how to soy cow?
and
Huh? Oh. I know how to save stickers.
ไปข้าวแต่ผมจะสวยข้าว
I thought you said soy. Soy cow.
สวย
Soy.
I can soy cow. I can save the rice. Unless,
สวยข้าวจะสวยข้าวอ่ะ
yep, I'm saving it right here. I'm saving it in this basket. Soy cow.
สวย I think
Soy.
I think
Soy.
oh that's สวย
Oh, that's
No,
like in
that's so
Thai.
many words.
Soy means beautiful. Soy.
Soy, that's Thai.
See? Soy.
or it
rice.
could mean คอยสวยคอยมีเมียให้คอย
Like,
Soy.
I have you. I'm so soy. Like,
Oh my
bad luck.
gosh. Yeah.
Yeah, soy.
I have you. I'm so soy.
Yeah, my life is soy.
My life so soy. Go.
Bad luck.
why you teach your bad word for
Soy.
Soy.
why you teach my wife bad word
And soy, help.
Soy.
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 Help. I soy.
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 Soy and then soy.
Soy means bad luck. Soy.
วันนี้คือสิ่งจะมาสวยหลาย
Soy like it. like
It's really hard, huh? So
soy
many
lime
words.
and put into my business.
Yeah. Soy lime.
Soy lime.
Soy lime. Oh, that's my house in Daly City.
Oh, that's the Daly City
That's
house.
the Daly City house now. Yeah. So that's where the Daly City is next to San Francisco.
Sandra, look. You know it's ready to flip.
I don't know.
Yeah.
How would you say?
See, look, it's turning.
White outside?
Yeah, like crisp, like clear. Okay, flip it.
That's the Frisco house.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah.
hold on. Okay, go. Let's. She wants me to flip it. I don't know how to flip it.
Okay. Okay. That's mean it's ready to flip.
Okay.
Okay. Like this.
Okay. The flatten it. Okay.
Right there.
Whoa. How many times did you flip it?
Twice.
Okay, so that was
Yeah.
9 minutes.
Yeah. You want to make sure you have plenty of water.
Yeah,
You don't want
plenty
to
of water.
burn that because your rice, once you burn no water, 'cause you're find my mom and you have
Yes.
to throw away your rice.
That had to throw it away, right?
Yeah.
Everything because it smell.
Yeah. Find my mom. You don't want that.
Find my mom.
You want to put enough water but not too much.
Yeah.
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 We'll just finish the burger with this.
Because if it burns, you throw everything away.
Yeah.
When cute.
Cute. Oh, okay. So how
Yeah,
long?
that's how you know when you need a flip.
Okay.
When the rice
When it gets crisp on the outside.
yeah, like it's kind of like it turns like crystal, like clear a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the neighborhood. Okay, we're gonna. So she's going to sway cow. Does this twice.
Yeah.
Sick tonight.
Sick cow.
Sick
like
cow.
sick now.
Sick.
The other one is that is sick.
Sick.
Okay,
Sick, baby,
so
that's sick.
Sick. Okay, so it's
This one is soy.
so
Sick cow. Sick cow. Sick cow. แล้วแต่ไทยใด
ไทยไหนจะเบาแล้ว
ไท
ไหน
ยสวรรค์
oh, this your accent is
จะเบา
different.
แล้วไหนจะเบาแล้วไหน
Oh, that's a different
That's him.
accent.
You talk like him. ปักเซ่เลย
จะ
นะ
เบาแล้วไหนจะเบาแล้วไหน
คนคนนี้ปักเซ่ได้ไทยสวรรค์ได้
That's
จะว่าปักเซ่ได้
Because they have to have a little swag, huh? At the end.
Yeah.
My mom does my mom talk like that?
Yes, your mom.
Really? Oh.
ปักเซ่คือจะว่าไทยสวรรค์
Oh.
See, you do like this because
It airs it out.
airs it out, and plus it's not.
It's not what's it called? I get it consolidated.
Yeah,
It's actually fluffy.
yeah. I use this, but in Lao they use the wood.
So how many minutes? From 9, 10. So it's 23 minutes right now. Okay. Oh, 13 minutes. That's 13 minutes. Oh, and we put it here. And so the aroma is actually being steamed in the rice basket, the bamboo basket, and then it's in a. This is made out of bamboo as well.
Deep cow.
Deep cow. It's also a basket, from bamboo, and has that smell, and it's actually really, it has that aroma of like bamboo, which is really nice. And you gotta soak it. Oh, look, the little small little guys. Yes. So this is individual ones that you see at the Thai restaurants or Lao restaurants. It's like this, and they put in like plastic
That one
bags.
that costs like $10.
Yeah, but then you see this is nicer.
In Icon Siam, 89 cents.
89 cents.
But you make $1.
Oh yeah. I teach Chinese. We're at a Lao homestay. We're at Joy's kitchen.
What is this? My homie's house.
Okay, we're at homie's house. Lao homie's house. And then here we are making sticky rice. Lao sticky rice. We just finished it. It's made out of a basket. It's really cute, right? You see that? It's all homemade. And this is actually a Lao bamboo basket, and it's kind of cool. You see how it has insulation, and you use you have to use your hands, and then of course wash your hands. Always wash your hands, right? And also the whip actually helps to keep the sticky rice together. Yeah, and Chef Joy is so you don't really don't have to put it on there. You don't have to.
Yeah, if they have good non-stick pan.
A lot of rice families, sometimes they have no food, they can like, have the sticky rice, put a little bit of flavor and salt in its eat, So that's pretty much farmer, what we had, like a working food.
Hello.
Oh, I don't think I know.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
So here's our early morning breakfast, our quackao, equivalency to geo mang. Quackao will be like Laos hash brown, equivalent to Laos hash brown. And we had it with eggs, geo mang da, chicken feet, and fried eggs. And that was our typical Laos breakfast for the morning.